Hello everyone. Today we will discuss streamline flow, turbulent flow and critical velocity of chapter 10 Mechanical Properties of Fluids, class 11th physics. Fluid dynamics. What is fluid? Any substance which can flow is called fluid. Example, liquids and gases. The study of fluids in motion is known as fluid dynamics. Streamline flow. The flow of a fluid is said to be steady or streamline or laminar if at any given point the velocity of each passing fluid particle remains constant in time. Then flow is called streamline flow or laminar flow or steady flow. What it means? See carefully. Let us suppose any particle of the fluid reaches at point P, and this is the velocity vector of that particle at point P. Let us suppose it is v1. Then that particle reaches at this point. Let us suppose this is point 2 and having velocity v2. Then that same particle reaches at this point. Let us suppose this is point 3 and here velocity of that particle is v3. Then that reaches the point Q and velocity of that particle is v4. Now all the particles which will come at point P must have the velocity v1 and that particle must go to point 2. Then that particle must have the velocity at point 2. The velocity must be v2. Then that particle must go to point C and then point this one. Point 3 then point 4. All the particles which will reach point P must have the velocity v1 and must follow the same path as preceding particles does. Such type of flow is called streamline flow. जो भी पार्टिकल P पर आएगा उस पार्टिकल को पॉइंट 2 पर जाना ही पड़ेगा. Then that particle must go to point 3 and then must go to point 4 and must have the velocities at point 2 is v2 and at point 3 is v3 and at point Q is v4. Then that type of flow is called streamline flow. The flow of a fluid is said to be steady or streamline if at any given point the velocity of each passing fluid particle remains constant in time. Then that flow is called streamline flow. Next, what is streamline? The path taken by a fluid particle under a steady flow is called streamline. स्ट्रीमलाइन फ्लो में जिस पाथ पे कोई पार्टिकल मूव करता है दैट पाथ इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रीमलाइन. दिस इज अ स्ट्रीमलाइन. दिस पाथ may be a curve or straight whose tangent at any point is in the direction of fluid velocity at that point. मतलब उस पाथ के किसी पॉइंट पे यदि हम टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करते हैं देन दैट टेंजेंट विल गिव द डायरेक्शन ऑफ वेलोसिटी ऑफ द पार्टिकल एट दैट पॉइंट. A group of streamlines is called a tube of flow. बहुत सारी streamlines हैं like this. Let us suppose this is another one. This is another one. This is one more like this. These all are the streamlines. Okay, and a group of streamlines is called a tube of flow. Next, properties of streamlines. The tangent at any point of the streamline gives the direction of velocity of the liquid at that point. ये तो हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. यदि हम किसी पॉइंट पे टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करते हैं, टेंजेंट टू द स्ट्रीम लाइन, then that tangent will provide the direction of velocity of the particle at that point. Two streamlines never intersect each other. Otherwise, there will be two directions of velocity of the particle at one point, which is not possible. It means two streamlines never intersect each other. Otherwise, there will be two directions of velocity at one point, which is not possible. Third point, at a particular point of the streamline, the velocity of all the particles of the liquid is constant. किसी पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट के ऊपर, ठीक है, जितने भी पार्टिकल पास करेंगे उन सभी पार्टिकल्स की वेलोसिटी सेम होनी चाहिए, कांस्टेंट होनी चाहिए. However, at different points of the streamline, the velocity may be different. किसी दूसरे पॉइंट पे वेलोसिटी डिफरेंट हो सकती है, बट एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट के ऊपर सभी पार्टिकल्स की वेलोसिटी सेम होनी चाहिए. क्राउडिंग ऑफ स्ट्रीमलाइंस रिप्रेजेंट्स ए फास्टर फ्लो ऑफ द लिक्विड. जहाँ पे स्ट्रीमलाइंस बहुत क्राउडेड होंगी वहाँ पे जो स्पीड है वो फास्ट हो जाएगी, फ्लो फास्ट हो जाएगा, और जहाँ पे क्राउडिंग कम है वहाँ पे उसकी स्पीड स्लो हो जाएगी. नेक्स्ट इज लैमिनार फ्लो. When a liquid is flowing with a velocity less than the critical velocity, then liquid flows steadily. यदि लिक्विड की वेलोसिटी जो है क्रिटिकल वेलोसिटी से कम है तो लिक्विड जो है दैट फ्लो इज कॉल्ड स्टडी फ्लो और स्ट्रीमलाइन फ्लो. Each layer of the liquid slides over one another. During the steady flow, all the layers of the liquid slides over one another. It behaves as different lamina are flowing over one another. Such a flow is called laminar flow. The flow in which different layers of the liquid slides over one another. Such type of flow is called laminar flow. Next is velocity profile. It is the surface obtained by joining the heads of the velocity vectors for the particles in any section of a flowing liquid. मतलब आपने क्या करना है, किसी पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन में पार्टिकल्स के वेलोसिटी वेक्टर्स फाइंड करने और उन सारे वेलोसिटी वेक्टर्स इन दैट पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन, जितने भी वेलोसिटी वेक्टर्स हैं उन सभी के हेड्स को ज्वाइन करना है. तो हेड्स को ज्वाइन करके जो सरफेस बनेगा दैट सरफेस इज कॉल्ड वेलोसिटी प्रोफाइल. वेलोसिटी प्रोफाइल इज द सरफेस obtained by joining the heads of the velocity vectors for the particles in any section of a flowing liquid. Like this, for non-viscous liquid, all the layers will move with the same velocity. So, their velocity vectors will be equal in length, and जब आप इन सभी के हेड्स को ज्वाइन करेंगे तो आपके पास जो सरफेस बनेगा वो सरफेस बनेगा प्लेन, लाइक दिस. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हम नॉन विस्कस लिक्विड की बात करें तो उसका जो वेलोसिटी प्रोफाइल होगा तो वेलोसिटी प्रोफाइल होगा प्लेन. वेलोसिटी प्रोफाइल विल बी प्लेन फॉर नॉन विस्कस लिक्विड. और यदि हम विस्कस लिक्विड की बात करें तो बिल्कुल सेंटर में जो लेयर होती है उसकी वेलोसिटी सबसे ज़्यादा होती है. द लेयर अलोंग द एक्सेस ऑफ द ट्यूब हैज़ मैक्सिमम वेलोसिटी. देन एज वी मूव टूवर्ड्स द साइड वेलोसिटी डिक्रीजेस. धीरे धीरे वेलोसिटी कम होती चली जाती है. और एज वी मूव टूवर्ड्स द वॉल्स ऑफ द ट्यूब वेलोसिटी डिक्रीजेस एंड वेलोसिटी प्रोफाइल बिकम्स पैराबोलिक. ये वेलोसिटी प्रोफाइल बन जाएगी. कैसे बनेगा? पैराबोलिक. Velocity profile will be parabolic for viscous liquid, and for non-viscous liquid it is plane. In a non-viscous liquid flow or in a non-viscous liquid laminar flow, all layers move with same velocity and velocity profile is plane. In a viscous liquid flow, all layers move with different velocities and velocity profile is parabolic. The velocity of the layer along the axis of the tube is maximum. As we move towards the walls of the tube, velocity decreases, so velocity profile will be parabolic. Next, turbulent flow. The flow of a liquid is said to be turbulent or disorderly flow. Turbulent flow is also called disorderly flow if its velocity is greater than its critical velocity. यदि लिक्विड की वेलोसिटी क्रिटिकल वेलोसिटी से ज़्यादा हो जाती है, then that flow is called turbulent flow. Example, water flowing in rivers. When water is falling down from the hills and flowing in the rivers, then the most of the time the flow of the river water is turbulent. See this image carefully. The water is flowing through the pipe and it is moving randomly in different directions. Okay, such type of flow is called turbulent flow. The flow of the water is not smooth. See carefully these two pictures. The above one is laminar flow and lower one is turbulent flow. Watch the picture carefully. In above picture, this water is flowing smoothly in the form of parallel layers. Such a flow is called laminar flow. And in the lower one, turbulent flow, the water is moving randomly in zigzag path. This is the another picture of laminar flow and turbulent flow. This is laminar. All the layers are moving parallel to each other. And if liquid is viscous, so velocity of the layer which is along the axis of the tube will be maximum, and as we move towards the sides of the tube, the speed decreases. And here in turbulent flow, these layers are moving in different directions and even they are crossing each other as well. Next, critical velocity. The critical limit of the velocity below which flow of the fluid is streamlined and above which the flow is turbulent is called critical velocity. Critical velocity is the velocity of the liquid up to which its flow is streamlined. It is that maximum limit of the velocity up to which the flow is streamlined and above which flow becomes turbulent. That velocity is called critical velocity. It is that barrier above which flow is turbulent and below which flow is streamlined. It is the maximum possible velocity possessed by a fluid in streamline flow. Because इससे जब velocity बढ़ जाती है तो वो turbulent हो जाता है. It is the maximum possible velocity in streamline flow. It is given by, इसका formula जो है that is Vc is equal to n eta upon rho d. VC, critical velocity VC is equal to n eta upon rho d, where n is the Reynolds number. It is a dimensionless quantity. Reynolds number is a dimensionless quantity. It is a pure number which determines the type of flow of a liquid through a pipe. Okay, this number decides whether the flow is streamline or flow is turbulent. The flow of a viscous liquid is said to be steady or streamlined if its Reynolds number lies between 0 to 2000. Okay, and if its value is above 3000, then flow is turbulent, and between 2000 to 3000 the flow is unstable. Okay, this is Reynolds number, which is a pure number and decides whether flow is streamlined or turbulent. Eta is the coefficient of viscosity of the fluid, and rho is the density of liquid or fluid, and d is the diameter of tube through which fluid is flowing. So formula of critical velocity is Vc is equal to n eta upon rho d. Derive the formula of critical velocity by the method of dimensions. Dimensions की हेल्प से हमने critical velocity का formula derive करना है. Let critical velocity Vc of a liquid depends upon, first one, coefficient of viscosity eta, second one, density of liquid rho, and third one, diameter of tube d. तो यहाँ पे हम सपोज कर रहे हैं कि क्रिटिकल वेलोसिटी जो है एक कोफिशिएंट ऑफ विस्कोसिटी ईटा पे डिपेंड करती है, डेंसिटी पे डिपेंड करती है, एंड डायमीटर ऑफ ट्यूब डी पे डिपेंड करती है. सो वी कैन राइट Vc proportional to eta की पावर a, रो डेंसिटी की पावर b, and diameter of tube d की power c. And we know that when we convert this proportionality symbol into equal to, we use a constant. So Vc is equal to k eta की पावर a, रो की पावर b, and d की पावर c. Now put the dimensions of all these quantities. As Vc, it is the critical velocity, it is the velocity, so its dimensions will be m0 l t minus 1. These are the dimensions of critical velocity. That is equal to k is a constant and it is dimensionless constant. So eta, what are the dimensions of eta? m l की पावर -1, t की पावर -1. So you must remember dimensions of eta, m l -1 t -1 की पावर a. Then density, what is the formula of density? Mass upon volume. So mass m, volume l -3 की पावर b, and d is the diameter, it is length, so it is l की power c. On combining these all factors, what we will get? Here m की power a plus b, because here power is 1 and then it is a, m की power a, and this is m की power b. Then l की पावर -a -3b plus c. and then t, there is only one t, that is minus 1 की power a, so it is minus a. Compare both the sides. So firstly, left hand side m की power 0 and right hand side m की power a plus b. So we will get a plus b is equal to 0. This is the first equation. Then second equation, compare L. And in right hand side L की power is minus a minus 3b plus c is equal to, and in left hand side L की power is 1, so it is equal to 1. Minus a minus 3b plus c equal to 1. Then compare the powers of t, and in right hand side t की power minus a, and in left hand side it is minus 1. Minus a is equal to minus 1, so we will get a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. So put this value of a in equation 1, this one. At the place of a, it is 1 plus b is equal to 0. So b is equal to minus 1. Put these both the values a and b in equation 2. माइनस ए की जगह 1 माइनस 3 और b की जगह पे -1 प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 1. On solving this one, -1 minus minus plus, it is 3 ones are 3 plus c is equal to 1. On solving this, it is, we will get -1 plus 3, it is plus 2, and when we will change the side, so 1 minus 2, so answer will be -1. So we will get c is equal to -1. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to -1, and c is also equal to -1. A is equal to 1, b is equal to -1, and c is equal to -1. Put all these values in the first formula, that is Vc is equal to K, and what was that? Eta की power a, that is 1, then rho की power b, that is -1, and d की power c, that is also equal to -1. Okay, so finally we will get Vc is equal to K eta upon rho d. From the experiments, we found that K is equal to N, that is Reynolds number. So we will get Vc is equal to N eta upon rho t. This is the formula of critical velocity by using the dimensional analysis. This is all about these topics, that is streamline flow, turbulent flow, Reynolds number, as well as critical velocity. Thank you. Have a nice day.